In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your browsing history on your MacBook on the Firefox web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Firefox browser and then select the history button up at the top in the menu bar and select where it says clear recent history. And where it says when, click the drop down and you can select everything or a more recent time period if you want. And then once you're done, just go ahead and select the clear button, and then you may want to restart the browser. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.